Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. Hello there, how are you? I am okay. I hope you're having a great day today. Your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it. I'm almost at 1650 subscribers, which is amazing. You could be 1650 if you subscribe now. And you get to see more of me. Woo-hoo-hoo. We've got Boxycharm for August 2022. This is the base box. I'm looking forward to the premium. I don't remember what I never remember anything, but let's take a look in here. Oh, look, it says dusk till dawn. Dusk till dawn. All right. And it's got the prices of everything here. And we'll just go down the card. It's not a very thick box this month, but you know, we'll see what's up. We'll see what's up. We're gonna start with Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Cream. Reignite the sparkle in your eyes with a gentle but powerful eye cream formulated with avocado, encapsulated with retinol, coffee berry, and niacinamide. Long-lasting actives. Oh my God. Released to help moisture brighten, fight the lines, and depuff. $42, which is very cool. Let's take a look. And I really love Glow Recipe stuff, and this is just a precious little bottle of eye cream. We've gotten the avocado melt other stuff before from them in the box, which is cool. Then we have from Alley-Oop, Stack the Odds, a best-selling 3-in-1 stackable compact that packs a cream blush, a bronzer, and a highlighter for a complete natural look. The creamy formula is blendable, buildable, and infused with moisturizing ingredients like jojoba and sunflower seed oil for natural glow. Apply with the fingers anytime, anywhere, with or without makeup brush for more dramatic effect. Travel friendly, $38. Let's take a look. I feel like I've already gotten this. Did I already get this? Did I choose this? About to rip the box up. What kind of name is Alley-Oop for some makeup? So we have, that must be the highlighter. Oh, I just put a dig in there, so I guess that's mine. I just broke it. I guess that's the bronzer. Oh, they swivel. And there's the blush. Well, shit. I broke this and dug into it, so I guess I'll have to play with it. I wasn't really excited about it, so lucky me. From Galactic, we have a metallic eye sparkle shadow, velvety and easy blendable. This metallic cream shadow formulates. It creates a high reflex sparkle that's easy to apply, blends easily, and wears all day. $20. The box is at $100 so far for the $27.99 price tag. Ooh, that's really pretty. I love liquid eyeshadows. And that's a beautiful kind of bronzy, coppery color. That's cool. That's cool. I'm not gonna swatch it because I have so many liquid eyeshadows open. It's pretty ridiculous. Then from Queen Studio, we have Bow Down Brow Glue. And this is just a brow gel. And it's supposed to last, stay in place for 16+ hours. And it's got a cute little package. It's cute. And it's $16. I don't use brow gel. I don't have enough brows on one side to do it, but somebody will love it, I'm sure. And then from Tennis, Sunset to the Stars Lip Oil. Oh, lip oil is always nice. This Ultra Shiny Gloss is infused with nurturing coconut and pomegranate seed oil to plump and hydrate, plus a sheer shimmery pink that you can build with each stroke. $27. That seems kind of high for a lip oil. It's a beautiful color. I will keep that by the couch. That's beautiful. That is a beautiful color. Cool. All right, so for our Boxycharm base box this month, I got the lip oil, which looks more like a lip gloss, the metallic eye cream, the brow gel, the Alley Oop Goop, and the retinol eye serum. Pretty good. Mostly makeup. Can't complain about getting mostly makeup because that's what we want all the time. So thank you so much for being with me here today. I hope you have a great day or the rest of your day, or good night or good evening. Have a great day.